I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery. You just got a phone call. Your friend wants to come over for dinner. You go into panic mode. My house is a mess. I don't have anything to serve them. Look at my table. It's nothing cute about it. Well, I have a solution for that. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna take some random jars that I had sitting up in the cabinet. It could even be glasses. And then I'm gonna run upstairs and find all these little scraps of greenery that I have lying around. Could be little flowers, it doesn't matter. And then I'm just gonna start filling them into the jars. So I just think, oh goodness, this is gonna be the easiest part of my getting ready, because if it's anything like my house, cleaning is going to be what takes a bit longer. So we're just going to snip some little grasses. You notice I'm not even putting in any glue. I'm not putting any kind of styrofoam into it. Just popping them right into the jars. And so now I have a really neat, fresh looking table centerpiece to put out before my best friend gets here. So you might want to arrange them where some of them don't even have greenery in them. And you just line them across. You could even add succulents into them. Or you could keep on adding until you had every one of them filled up with your grasses. So this is a quick and simple way to take your table from bare to flare. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery.